teeth.
That's what I mean. No, you look away.
Hi. I'm going to show you what we call the human typewriter. I'm going to be using him as a machine.
Which he is, because he's black.
He is a machine. He's a cotton-pick machine. Alright.
Oh shit, he's struggling.
Alright.
Come on!
I see myself now.
You need to be careful what you kick.
Ow, I can't show your penis.
Oh shit.
Dear America.
Dear America.
Ding. I will work in your field.
I'll get your field.
Ding. I am black.
I am black. Ding.
I'm the only black guy
I'm only black in my school. Ding.
that has a tiny penis.
Ding.
What?
I was trying to eat this thing. Ow. Oh.
That was Heath, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause. The human typewriter.
Copyright it. I copyright that shit.